Hey guys, what it is, Butter Games here, and I am
Game. Sorry. Game.
back with Ijaz,
Mode. Was
and
loud.
then we're doing pirate ship,
I bet
super
I'll
pirate battle.
kill
Yeah, that's it.
you.
You want to begin now, straight away?
Okay.
Let's do this.
Load.
There's a map, and it
What is
says
what the fuck does that mean?
the map says.
Helen.
Uh-huh.
What the fuck? Okay, load. Oh wait, I'm gonna put repellent. Load. What the hell does it? How do I find my? Oh, you mean I like put something there? What? What is this black magic?
You wanna do this
Oh!
you wanna play this like Battleship, or you wanna just play it
I don't know. I don't even know how to play this stuff.
you wanna
How do
just
you?
play it like Battleship or like
Well, firstly, show me how to use it.
come to my ship.
Okay. Game mode 1. TP Azure. Can't be stuff flying to you. And 345. Hello.
So you load all the TNT in like that, and
Yes.
then you load that TNT over there, and then you click
Just check that.
pellet, and then you wait 4 seconds, and then you click cannonball.
Oh, my sister's home.
So you go back to your place and go game mode.
Oh,
Go
my
game mode
sister's
0.
home. Be back. Okay, I'll file and talk to my sister, so I'll be back.
I hope it doesn't fall into the water, but cool. 10, 15.
Okay, I'm back.
I made you game mode 0 so that we can
Okay,
fight.
thanks.
You want to play like Battleship or just keep going as fast as we can, like no turns?
Oh yeah, let's do Battleship.
Who you want to start first?
Oh yeah, I'm going first.
You start first.
Oh my god.
Oh, I nearly jumped off.
I
I
kind of
jumped off my ship.
I blew up one of my own cannons.
Okay, he just had a failed move, so it's my turn. Hey, you know, if
Yeah.
you look over there to the front of your ship, you can see another ship that's broken.
Oh, that's kind of scary.
1, 2,
Where's the
3,
bed?
4. Oh gosh! No.
It's really hard to use. I accidentally blew up my own ship.
Yeah, same. Your turn.
Okay.
Whilst I'm waiting, I'm just gonna load.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. I just blew up my... I only have one cannon left.
No, there's a lot of cannons. Just to let
Oh,
you
okay, I
know.
can see another one, yeah. Okay. You can try hit me.
Okay,
Slitherman.
my turn.
Okay. No. Don't kill me.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Huh.
did that hit?
Nah. Okay.
That was a good shot.
Very good, very good.
1, 2, 3, 4. Load. My Minecraft's really glitchy on this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fire your best. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Yay! I am go blow you up. That's like the first one that worked. Oh no! No! Oh!
That
Oh,
hit?
that went over again. Don't use that one because that went over twice. Yep, we're playing some. Pardon? Sure. Okay, I'm gonna blow up your thing.
I'm gonna use less
Better be
power.
better. Okay. I use 3. Sorry.
Ah. I've got a lot more TNT, so don't you guys worry. I can't pick that up.
Okay, I'm back.
Fire your cannon unless you're not ready. And there's so many squiddies.
Oh, oh no. Okay.
Climb the whatever
Okay.
this is. What's it? Crow's nest. I'm up in the crow's nest. I'm on the sail. Hey, Jazz, can you see me?
Oh. Oh yeah.
Wah!
And my shot, but it was really weak.
Ah.
He was actually like
My
the
turn.
weakest shot we've ever seen. How's game? That's rude.
Oh! Oh! I hit you!
Really?
Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
really?
You've been hit, boy.
Okay. What is this map? Okay. It's my turn.
Yeah.
Did you hit me?
Uh-huh.
You meanie.
I slapped you. Oh no.
Oh, I missed.
Oh, that was a close one.
Is there any like cannons underground or anything?
There's one in your whole place. Your
Oh,
captain's
whoa, bro.
place. Calm down,
Yeah, I'm
Charlie
the one in
Brown.
the captain kind of place. That's the only. I only have 2 left. Okay, my turn.
I'm making it peaceful because I'm losing hunger. And I have like a cookie.
Yes.
Pumpkin pie.
Yes. Oh yes. Yes, please. Oh now.
Oh, let's make this
1, 2,
interesting.
3, 4.
Making this interesting. Oh! Oh
Victory!
no! Oh my! You took
Oh my
out a
goodness.
lot of.
Oh my goodness. That was
Oh no! I've only got one more cannon left. That's
Well,
not
I've
fair.
got
I shouldn't
2.
have loaded that. That's it. You're gonna get payback. I mean, I'm gonna get payback.
Okay, I'm just loading one of my guns. That's the reason. That's the reason why.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh!
Did you hit?
Maybe. I don't know. I couldn't see.
Maybe?
I'm actually not gonna load my cannon just yet.
Yeah, just in case.
What happened before? I'm gonna go to bed. I slept.
Okay.
This game is fun. You wanna do like round 2 and stuff like that?
Oh god, no! Oh yeah. That didn't actually count because that just doesn't count.
Just doesn't.
Um
Well, you can actually go have a look at the redstone if you go downstairs. That's epic. Oh, he's ready to fire.
only. Okay. Are you ready?
It's your turn.
Yeah, no. Damn.
Whoa, I
Ooh,
heard an explosion.
damn, making. We got map. What's on this map? Okay. Super Pirate Battle Royale.
What? No! Oh, that scared me so much.
I'll give you another shot.
No. It actually nearly hit you, so
Okay.
it's your turn. Because I thought the TNT stayed where it was and it didn't fall down. So I got scared. Give me your best shot.
3, 4.
Give me your best shot. Oh my.
Oh,
That
not
went
enough
into
power.
water. Nearly killed the squid though. So it was fine. Just because it nearly killed the squid, it's fine.
1, 2, 3. 1.
Incoming. Did that hit you?
I think it did. I wasn't really looking. Let's just say it did.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Let's
3,
climb up the
4.
ladder and have a look. Oh my,
Oh.
that hit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, that's not what I want. Okay, time to load.
Give me a best shot. Oh.
Oh. You wanna do round 2 after this?
Yeah.
And then we can do no battleship, just keep playing, like, no turns, just keep
Oh yeah.
shooting.
Okay, well.
My
We'll
turn.
just start that from now. And then we'll do another round with the craziness. But let's just see how it goes from here.
Oh.
Let's
Okay,
do it.
so rapid fire.
Yeah, just to see what it's like. And
Go, go,
we like it.
go, reload.
1, 2, 3, 4. What? I don't know.
Open fire!
Whoop it Gangnam Style.
What? No, that's 2012.
It's gentlemen.
Gentleman this time, baby. Let's put some extra power on this shot, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it blew my.
Did
Ah.
it get you?
Nah, it blew me up from the inside. Oh no, my own shot, yeah. I only have 1 cannon left. So we
Same
both
here.
have 1 cannon. I want to see which place is your one located. Jump, bitch. Oh, God. Oh, sorry, I thought I got stuff. Oh, okay. I'm like the opposite of that side.
Oh yeah, you're on your one of this.
Yep.
Yeah, I tried blowing that one up, but it didn't work. It's a German cake, Mom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, too low. Keep going. Get the next cannon.
Oh, that hit.
Damn.
Dang, we got a hit, sir.
Run, bitch, run.
Run, fat boy.
That's what I said to his. Oh my God! I fell out of my ship. And
You can go creative to get back up.
nah, don't. There's a ladder to get back up.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know how that happened. I fell in the hole where you place the TNT. Okay. Ugh.
Where did that TNT go?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I just knew you were gonna say that word.
Ah, too powerful.
So that's 3. I'm gonna put 4 in this one. It's uneven. Hopefully it works still. Oh my, that hit.
Oh my godness.
Oh, that was a perfect hit.
Let me see the holes you have created. Oh my god.
Did I
You
do it?
monster.
Wow,
Destroy.
I'm gonna go creative and have a look at your ship.
TP to me and I show you where all. Oh yeah, it's still here.
There's still TNT in these cannons for me.
Yeah, they stuffed up. Oh yeah, that one I try to love because
Oh my, I've done some
Oh!
damage to this guy. This ship has taken so much damage from failure cannons.
Yeah, I know. I only have one cannon left. And this
Same.
is this one.
Back to work.
I want to see how much damage I've done to yours. Hello.
Oh, hero.
Just want to see.
Fire while he's here.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh! Oh, dude, I hit your TNT place.
Oh! Oh my.
How much damage?
I think all my cannons are stuck. Yeah, all my cannons. Oh wait, no. You didn't destroy. Oh, you did.
No, oh, no, you didn't destroy. Oh, no, you did.
He's like, yes, you. Oh, don't worry.
I know how to angle the direction now. The more TNT you put on one side, that's where it will shift to the opposite
Oh,
side.
I don't
So now
know.
we can angle. I'm gonna fill this one up.
Okay, can we restart this?
Yeah, we're both basically stuffed up already.
Wait, before you.
Oh, look at that aiming.
That aim.
That aim.
That precision. It's just beautiful, you know? It really does touches me.
Really does touches me. What?
I'm really sorry.
Oh gosh.
Run, big run. Oh, I didn't blow up that TNT.
Don't you? Run!
Run, bitch, run.
My turn to your zip. Ooh. We'll make like part 2 because it's 17 minutes.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to your ship, bro.
It says you can't sip it now because I'm tapping too spastic. Because I'm just such a spastic. Did you end the video?
Not yet. It must end with a boom. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh my. But yeah.
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like,
Oh, wait,
comment,
one
and
last thing.
subscribe.
How come?
And join SCS. See you guys later. Bye.